at that. He's a natural.
Yeah. There you go. And the other
that's easy. Oh, no, hang on. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Just push yourself back. Thank you for assuming my hair is real. Not my job.
All right, let's bring the CGI backdrop first. You guys can see our final